Governor Eddie Calvo doesn't believe leadership at the University of Guam properly handled a well-publicized sexual assault case involving indicted UOG professor Dr. Michael Ehlert and two female victims. Concerns over the way the issue was handled prompted harsh words from Governor Calvo.
I cannot believe how University of Guam leadership has treated the case of two young ladies aged 20 and 23 who courageously came forward to report a sexual assault by one of their professors.
The two students reported the incident to UOG in 2014, and adverse action was handed down. However, it wasn't until January 11th this year that Professor Michael Ehlert was indicted in Superior Court. Although Ehlert was scheduled to teach this spring, news of his indictment led UOG President Dr. Robert Underwood to put Ehlert on administrative leave until the case unfolds. However, these actions did not stave Governor Calvo's concerns. He called it deplorable that the one professor who tried to stand up for the victims was allegedly persecuted and now has a formal investigation against him. That professor is Ron McNinch.
I complained to the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission after I felt I was being harassed for things I'd said about sexual harassment and student safety here, and among other things.
Late Friday, University of Guam President Dr. Robert Underwood held a press conference to address the governor's concerns. During the press conference, he affirmed the university's commitment to student safety.
Governor Calvo's statement making a judgment about the case involving Dr. Ehlert and his characterization of the university's treatment of the two women involved are incomplete and misinformed.
He said UOG follows policies that are based on local and federal law and are commonly accepted in universities throughout the nation. He said university leadership followed protocol, offered counseling to the victims, and is working to strengthen sexual harassment policies. As for the retaliation charges by Dr. McNinch, Underwood claimed UOG denied retaliation had occurred in its response to U.S. EEOC. In the meantime, Adelup urges anyone who may be victims of sexual assault to report it to police or the Attorney General's office at 475-3406. As for Ehlert, he is scheduled to answer to the charges against him on Wednesday, January 27th. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza.